This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by powering off the iPad and removing its case. This prevents short circuits and gives you clear access. Once done, shine a bright light into the headphone jack and use a magnifier to see lint or corrosion. This explains most failures. Make sure to have compressed air, a wooden toothpick, and 90% isopropyl alcohol ready, because these tools let you remove debris safely without bending contacts or leaving residue that causes poor connections. You now clean the port carefully. Blow short, controlled bursts of compressed air to dislodge loose lint. Overpressurizing can push debris deeper. Next, insert a wooden toothpick and gently rotate to nudge stubborn fuzz out. The wood is soft enough to avoid damaging metal contacts. Following that, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl alcohol and touch the inner rim to remove oils and corrosion. Let the port air dry fully, because moisture causes shorts and intermittent audio. You finish by testing with a known good headphone plug and playing audio. This confirms success or pinpoints intermittent contacts. If sound cuts in and out, wiggle the plug and try rotating it. This helps reveal bent contacts or partial corrosion. Make sure to try a software reset and check audio routing in settings, because some issues are software versus hardware. If the port remains unreliable, use a lightning to headphone adapter or seek professional repair. Advanced contact replacement requires micro-soldering skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.